Hello guys, welcome to Cat Lovers Toys, and there is a black screen, and you know that when there's an exciting thing, there's a black screen, so let me show you. Okay, this is kind of slow, sorry. You're probably like, what the heck is that? But I'm just ow! Oh my gosh, okay, here it is. Okay, you can stop. You can stop now. Okay, so I built this. I know, it's all my credit.
No, it's not, because you got help.
No, but that was just to find the pieces. I put the pieces together. Yeah. And so let me tell you some of the cool things it can do. But you could make it shoot out bullets from its foot. I didn't understand how to do that, so I just didn't do it. So the first thing is that you can make it tilt.
You should have like a backup head and stuff. So like they should, so that they could like shoot their head.
And then there's there's this little stop. There's this little wheel, and if you turn it, it'll make the tail.
Wait, there's a wheel
that you turn.
Oh, you turn that wheel to make it. I'm gonna try. Can I try?
And kind of dark over here. Let's kind of move
I'm gonna
it.
slap you.
No, stop. Oh, sorry, my hand is in the way. Okay, so you can open its mouth.
Don't make its jaw fall off.
Okay, hit the ground, because its leg kind of. Okay, and then you can move its legs. That's like all the cool things it can do. And so, thumbs up if you like this.
And don't do thumbs down if you don't like it. Just don't put a thumbs up.
Okay, and so, meow bye. Like, don't worry about this video being so short. It's just like me showing what I made. So yeah, meow bye. So like yeah.